Hello, Honors Geometry parents. I guess this is a little different as far as parent-teacher conferences are going, but I wanted to make a video for everyone so that you can kind of get to know me. You can get to know your son or daughter's teacher, geometry teacher. And I just wanted to go over some things on how the class works during, a normal school day. My name is Sean Hendrick, and I have the honor of teaching your son or daughter honors geometry at St. Mary's Prep. And so far, everything has really been great. Everything's been going very smoothly as far as our safety precautions, and the classroom environments have just been fantastic. Every class is just very engaged. We have a lot of fun in the class, and we're going to cover a lot of material. In Honors Geometry, right now we're starting Chapter 4. I can't believe that the first quarter is already over, but it's been a good first quarter, and my job is to really make sure that your son or daughter is getting the most out of this class, learning the most, being the most productive students that they can possibly be. This is a fast class. We really don't slow down, and even being home for 2 weeks, we haven't slowed down at all. I've been posting videos of lectures and also pictures of my notes. If I couldn't, talk to them, I guess that's the best way to do it. I mean, obviously, I'm still logging on to the Microsoft Teams, which is a nice help. It's good to hear their voices and make sure that everything's still going all right. I would say that the biggest thing with my class is the homework. We typically get homework every day. We get homework based on the lecture that they had just received from me. The only days that they really don't have homework are the days that they have tests or quizzes, which usually come once a week. All right, so I would say anywhere from 3 to 4 times a week they should be having homework. And it's very important to keep up with that homework. This is a class that you definitely do not want to fall behind in. But we do. We have a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun in the class, and it's good to check up with them and just make sure that they're understanding everything, and that everything's going smoothly as far as the class and their knowledge of geometry. It can be a really tricky subject, especially in the beginning of the year. I tend to see a lot of student grades. They're not where they want them to be, but it's because this is such a brand new subject. I mean, they don't really know what to expect. I mean, they're used to learning Algebra 1 for, 4+ years, and now it's a brand new math, and it's a brand new way that they need to study, and it's just helpful if they were able to make sure that they had that homework done all the time. I always say to the students, if you're doing the homework and you're working hard, you're going to get a good grade in the class. Nobody's ever going to fail this class. I'm also always available to help. I get there early in the morning into my classroom. I guess right now we're out of the classroom, but that's okay. We'll be back in the classroom soon. But I usually get to work at about 7 a.m. and I tell students if they need any help that come on into my classroom. I usually have a few students come in there asking for help, which is nice. It's nice, and they get their one-on-one attention. As far as my lectures go, I usually lecture for about, in a 45-minute class, I usually lecture for anywhere 35 to 40 minutes, and I give them some class time at the end of the period where they can work on their homework. They can ask me questions and try to get a head start. And that's usually good too. I do a lot of problems in class, a lot of examples, just making sure that they know exactly what to expect as far as their homework goes. And then the day before a test, I always go over almost the exact problems that are going to be on the test. There's no tricks, there's no secrets here. I just want them to succeed. So really, if they are doing their homework, they're paying attention to the lectures, and they're listening to those review sessions before a test, they're going to be doing pretty good. Now, we are going to get through 12 chapters this year, which is a lot of material, but I think they're all ready for it. And I just wanted everyone out there, all you parents, to know that your son or daughter, they're in good hands with me, and I'm very personable. You can always contact me whenever you want. You can contact me through the grade book, or if you want to contact me through email, that works too. But if you're ever concerned, or you ever want to ask me a question, or see if your son or daughter is doing the homework, feel free to send me an email, and I'll get back to you very quickly. I know that these are some crazy times, but we're all getting through it, and everything's going to be a-okay. So if you ever need anything, please contact me. My email is S as in Sean, Hendrick, HENDRICK, at stmarysprep.com. And that's the best way to get in touch with me. And please never hesitate to send me an email or whatever you want. And I really do wish that we could have just met in person. I appreciate parent-teacher conferences, and it allows me to show all of the parents, the real me, the teacher that's teaching their kid. So if you need anything, please don't hesitate. And I hope that everybody's staying healthy and safe, and this is going to be a great year, a great school year. Thank you.